Hey guys! Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make these really cute shell charms that I posted on my Instagram a little while ago. You really seem to like. And I also made this coral ring to match the charms, and I'll show you how to make that too. So let's get started. You're going to need a light tan clay. Here I'm using Fimo Soft in Sahara. You're also going to need some translucent, and whatever color you want your coral to be. I'm using this mixed up green that I had lying around, and an orange color, and a ball of scrap clay to make the base of your coral. You'll also need findings like an eye pin and a ring base for the back of your coral ring. You'll also need a dotting tool, some needle nose pliers to add your findings, and some E6000. Let's start with the coral ring. You're going to start with a ball of scrap clay, about half the size you want your coral to be, and then you're going to form it into a dome on your work surface. Next, you're going to take the color that you want your coral to be, and you're going to take a small piece, roll it into a ball between your fingers, and then press it onto the side of the dome of scrap clay. You're going to repeat this with little balls of your coral color until you've covered the entire piece of scrap clay. Then, you're going to take the end of your dotting tool, and you're going to press it into the middle of each of the dots of clay that you just pressed onto your scrap clay dome. And you're going to repeat that step until you've pressed your dotting tool into every piece. And that's your coral. For the shell, start with translucent and condition your clay before rolling it into a very long tapered cone shape like this. Then set it aside. Then you're going to take your light tan clay and a little bit of orange, and you're going to mix them together. You don't need to do this if you have a more natural looking orange clay, but all I had was neon, so I cut it with the tan clay. And mix that together until there are no streaks, then take small pieces off, roll them into strips, and wrap them around your translucent clay. Keep doing this down the entire length of your translucent clay. Then take a dotting tool, and what you're going to do is you're going to use it to rough up the edge of each strip of tan clay that's mixed with orange. And this is just so that the difference between the translucent and the orange and tan isn't too harsh and it looks a bit more natural. And again, do that down the entire strip of translucent clay. Next, you're going to start to roll your shell together. Start at the bottom with the widest, and then in each successive turn that you're winding up your shell, reduce the diameter just a little bit until you have this kind of unicorn horn shape. As a final touch, you're going to take a large end of the dotting tool and press it into the end of your shell to create that hollowed out look. Then just add your findings, and you're done. Don't forget to bake and glaze, and then add your findings like the ring back for the coral. And that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed my tutorial. Happy crafting, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!